Hello children, today let us see how to convert a number in kilometer to meter. So today we will be doing conversion from kilometer to meter. The relation between kilometer and meter is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or in short form you can represent kilometer as km and meter as m. So we can write 1 km is equal to 1000 m. So to convert a number in kilometers to meter, we have to multiply it by 1000. Here we are going to convert kilometer to meter. In kilometer and meter, kilometer is a bigger unit of length and meter is a smaller one. And what is the relation between them? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or we can say 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. Okay, so if we have to convert a number in kilometer to meters, we have to multiply that number by 1000. For example, you can see here 7 kilometer, we have to convert it into meters. So what we are doing here, we have multiplied it by 1000. 7 into 1000, that is 7000 meter. To understand it, I'm going to show you some examples how we can convert a number from kilometer to meter. What are the steps to be followed to convert a number from kilometer to meter? Now you can see here, convert into meters 9 kilometer. Now we have to convert 9 kilometer into meters. Let us see what steps we will follow. First, let us write what we already know. Here 9 kilometers has to be converted into meters. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This relation you should learn and you should know it. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 9 kilometer is equal to 9 into 1000, that is 9000 meter. Okay, you should always show what is the relation between kilometer and meters, and then you should multiply it. Always remember, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Kilometer can be represented as km, meters as m. So 1 km is equal to 1000 m. Here 9 km is equal to 9 into 1000, that is 9000 meter. Let us do one more question of this type. Convert 4 kilometer 500 meter into meters. Now here this number is having mixed units. It is having kilometer as well as meters, and we have to convert it into meters. So what we will do? First we will convert the kilometer part into meters and then add the other meter part to get the answer. Now what is the relation between kilometer and meter? You know it already. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 4 kilometer will be equal to 4 into 1000, that is equal to 4000 meters. But our answer doesn't end here. We have the question 4 kilometer 500 meters. Okay, now 4 kilometer we have converted into meters as 4000 meters. Now 4 kilometer 500 meters will be equal to 4 kilometer is converted to 4000 meter, and another 500 meter is there that we will add. So 4000 plus 500, that is equal to 4500 meters. So 4 kilometer 500 meter is equal to 4500 meters. Now Let us see how to convert meter to kilometer. Just now you saw conversion of kilometer to meter. Now we will be doing conversion from meter to kilometer, from the smaller unit meter to the bigger one, that is kilometer. The relation between meter and kilometer is 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000th part of a kilometer. Okay, since meter is a smaller unit, so 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 of kilometer, or it can be written as 1 m is equal to 1 by 1000 km. So to convert a number in meters to kilometer, we have to divide it by 1000. Okay, for example, 5000 meter is there, we can write it as 5000 into 1 by 1000. Here 5000 into 1 is 5000 divided by 1000, that is 1000 fives are 5000, 5 kilometer. Okay, let us do some questions to understand this. Convert into kilometers, and the number given is 4000 meter. You have to convert 4000 meter into kilometers. We can write it as, we know 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 4000 meter is equal to 4000 into 1 by 1000 kilometer. Here 4000 into 1 is 4000 by 1000 kilometer. Here 1000 fours are 4000, that is 4 kilometer. Okay, let us see one more question. Now it is 7000 meter and you have to convert it into kilometer. So we can write it as, we know 7000 we know 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 7000 meter is equal to 7000 into 1 by 1000 kilometer, which will become 7000 into 1 is 7000 by 1000. Here you can either cut the zeros, or you know it, 1000 into 7 is 7000, so it is 7 kilometer. Okay, so you have to learn this. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. The relation between kilometer and meter is 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. So when you have to convert kilometer to meter, you have to multiply that number by 1000, and if you have to convert meter to kilometer, you have to divide that number by 1000. Learn this relation and try more questions of this type. Thank you.